Hello everyone. Today it's a new week and a new episode, and today we'll be talking more about IKEA. Why IKEA makes you walk through the entire store. Imagine walking into a furniture store just to buy something, one thing actually, a deck. 20 minutes later, you've added scented candles, a rug, a lamp, kitchen containers, fake plants, and a set of wine glasses to your cart. You stop and think, how did this happen? It wasn't an accident, it was designed. Every turn, every room, every shortcut, or lack of one, was carefully planned to make you spend more without feeling pressured. Welcome to the business behind. Today we are uncovering the psychology behind IKEA, the furniture giant that transformed shopping into one of the most successful business strategies in retail history. Unlike most furniture stores, IKEA doesn't encourage you to browse freely. Instead, it gently guides you along a single wooden path: living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, dining room. It feels natural, but it's actually one of the longest shopping journeys in retail. The longer you stay, the more products you see. And the more products you see, the more likely you are to buy something you never intended to. Notice something unusual about IKEA's display. Nothing is shown by itself. Instead, every chair sits beside a table. Every table has dishes. Every bedroom has lamps, curtains, plants, mirrors, baskets, and artwork. You're not buying furniture, you're imagining a better life. IKEA sells inspiration before it sells products. Ever notice the price tags? 9.99, 14.99, 39.99. Your brain reads the first number before the last. So 39.99 feels closer to 30 than 40, rather. It's a subtle psychological effect that retailers have used for decades, and it still works. The treasure hunt section. As you approach the end of the showroom, everything changes. Small items, cheap prices, products stacked everywhere, candles, batteries, kitchen gadgets, picture frames, storage bins. These inexpensive products are called impulse purchases. You didn't come for them, but they are easy to justify. It's only $5. Multiply that thought by millions of shoppers, and those little purchases become a massive source of revenue. Now I'll be talking about the flat pack revolution. Here is IKEA's massive innovation. Most furniture companies ship fully assembled products. IKEA doesn't. Instead, You build it yourself. That simple idea reduces shipping costs dramatically. Most products fit on every truck. Warehouses need less space. Transportation becomes cheaper. And those savings help IKEA offer lower prices. Customers save money. IKEA saves money. Everyone wins. Now we go on to the Swedish identity. Have you noticed the unusual product name? Billy, Mom, Kalax, Frans. They are Swedish. IKEA embraces its roots in almost everything. The blue and yellow colors, the restaurant, the meatballs, even the product names. This creates something priceless, a memorable brand identity. Customers don't just remember the furniture, they remember the experience. Now we'll talk about the exit trap. By the time you finally reach the checkout, you've walked nearly the entire store. You've seen hundreds of products. You've imagined dozens of rooms. You've picked up several inexpensive extras. The average customer spends far more than they originally planned. Not because IKEA forced them to, but because IKEA designed an experience that makes spending feel natural. IKEA isn't just selling furniture, it's selling ideas, comfort, possibility, and an experience that's been engineered down to the smallest detail. The next time you visit IKEA, pay attention to the path you're walking. Because every step was designed long before you took it. If you enjoyed this episode of The Business Behind, subscribe for a new story every week as we review the hidden strategies behind the world's biggest companies. Next episode, we'll be talking about why Starbucks wants you to stay longer than you planned.